Good morning, natural gas traders. This is our weekly natural gas update video, and let's get into it. So far, it looks like we have rejected from the upper trend line resistance that we have been looking at for the past couple months. This is the resistance, and this would be the support. That's a falling wedge pattern. You can see we have one touch here, two touch, and our third touch, as well as here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the way down here. So it's still invalid. It's still valid in pattern for me. And we roughly bounced off of here, rejected from here. And now we're looking back down here at this quadruple, now a quadruple bottom support. So 1, 2, 3, and this is our fourth bounce. So far it's a strong support. We do break here, and we're very likely looking back down here at this falling wedge support. So, how would you be playing this? If you are not in a position yet and you want to go bull, you could get in on Monday, or if you're got in on Friday, then just set a stop loss at underneath this low, which is 1.894. So it'll be slightly below this quadruple support, just in case, give it a little bit of wiggle room. Sometimes natural gas likes to break a support and bounce back, or breaks a resistance and bounce back. It's a characteristic of natural gas where it does that both ways, where it just kind of fakes people out, kind of like over here as well. You can see we broke support and then just comes right back. And as well as there's one more other time back where we broke resistance here and then it was just shot right back down. So it likes to do that in both ways to trap people in both directions. So we gotta be careful with that. So you could get in here and set a stop loss. And worst case scenario, it goes below here. You get a small loss. If you're already in a position, then you likely have to just wait till this whole thing plays out. I'm currently not in a position at all, so I have no bias in both directions. And it's just one of those stocks that just always keeps fading, so it's very frustrating. And to get a bull position, you can be like, a lot of traders were saying that we are down so much already, it has to bounce. And we're down like 80 something percent from the top to the bottom. But it's a commodity. It doesn't trade like a regular stock. If you show me this chart and you tell me this is like a mega cat stock, or like if it was just like Amazon or Apple would never look like this. But if it was like Amazon, Meta was once kind of like this. It was $88. Or if you tell me it was Microsoft, anything like that, I would be going all in right now at this spot. But it's a commodity, so it doesn't have those fundamentals to back it up. It doesn't have fund managers supporting the stock. So essentially, it's a lot easier to fade when we get a big move. But if you're a scalper, it's a great ticker to scalp. Just from this low bounce, you're up 42%, right? So there's a lot of volatilities within this range to take advantage of and to scalp the trade. So if we do bounce back up here, then obviously the next level I'm looking at is back here again, that 2.1 where we previously was above and it was acting as support. It can bounce off of here, bounce off of here 3 times already. And when we're under it, you can see it acted as resistance, rejected here, rejected here, rejected here. And so now we're under it. So it's going to act as resistance again. So let's see if we bounce back up here. If we do get over that, then we're back. We're pretty close to testing this falling wedge upper range again very soon. Because that could all happen next week. Because we're pretty close to it. Let me see. We are 10%. Yep, natural gas 10% could definitely happen within 1 week. So we'll see. And if we do break above this falling wedge, then I am looking back up here. This 2.4 to 2.5 range. You can see all of this cluster of support that it bounced off of, and now will act as resistance because we are under it. So that will be my take for the week. So if we do hold this level, which is a quadruple bottom right now, then we bounce up, potentially, reject first and a little bit. Then if bulls can take over, then we can break it. I wouldn't say we'll just like shot straight up to it. So it more likely be like a slight pullback and then retest to see if we grow higher. That's all I got for you guys for natural gas. And if you guys got any questions, feel free to let me know. And if you made it this far, feel free to subscribe. And I will see you guys tomorrow. I will be updating um, on big tech stocks and how it will affect market QQQ itself and how it will affect your stocks as well. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great weekend.